If your Zelle is not working in Chase, then this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So follow all these steps and it should go ahead and work for you. So there are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first thing you want to simply go ahead and do is check your Zelle service status. Simply go ahead and visit the Zelle status page or down detector to see if there are any outages. If that is not the case, you can simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, or even restarting your router or toggling your airplane mode. Once you've done that, you want to simply make sure that your Zelle is also enrolled properly. If that is not the case, you can simply go ahead and open the Chase app and then re-enter it. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your sending limit, because it does have limits. So simply go ahead and head into your settings and limits in Zelle to check your limits and history. Finally, once you've done that, if the person's information that you're sending to is incorrect, you could be facing this problem. So make sure that you have the recipient's email or US phone number correct. If that is not the case, simply go ahead and try updating the Chase mobile application. And if none of it works, try restarting your device or even contacting Chase support.